In today's video, I'm going to show you a hair serum that claims to outperform minoxidil using a cocktail of high-tech ingredients with names you probably can't pronounce. Meet the Bontress PRO Scalp Serum, a product that's been blowing up online, and for good reason. People want to know, does it actually work or is it just overpriced water wrapped in scientific jargon? At first glance, the ingredient list reads like something out of a chemistry exam: Redensyl, Capixyl, Procapil, and Angin. They sound like comic book characters, but they're actually patented hair growth compounds, and surprisingly, some of them are backed by real clinical research. One study showed that 3% Redensyl improved hair density by about 17 hairs per square centimeter after 3 months. That's around 10,000 new hairs across your scalp. Another trial compared these ingredients to 5% minoxidil and found that 73% of users saw noticeable improvement within 24 weeks. That's impressive. And for once, it's not based on vague, hopeful feelings about hairline progress. Here's what makes this serum stand out. It's made by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, a legitimate, well established company known for producing real FDA approved medicines. So, this isn't some mystery liquid bottled in a garage. It's a lab tested formula from a trusted pharmaceutical brand. User reviews are generally positive. Many report reduced hair fall within a month, which aligns with normal hair growth cycles. Complaints mostly focus on the cost and the need for continued use. Fair points, since hair growth is a gradual process, not a one-time fix. The good news: there are no major safety issues or FDA red flags, and side effects appear minimal. So, is Bontress Pro Plus worth the investment? If you're dealing with thinning hair and can commit to consistent use, the science actually supports it. The ingredients have credible clinical data, the company is reputable, and the pricing is reasonable for a proven formula. It's not an instant miracle, but it's definitely not snake oil either, just a solid, scientifically backed serum that delivers gradual, realistic results. Thank you for watching this video.